Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about any importance of the part of human body called the kidney. You will learn what the kidney are, what they do, and how they can get damaged. The kidney are two smaller bean-shaped organs located in your low back, one of each side of your spine. They are responsible for filtering waste and the extra water from the blood and tuning into urine. The kidney perform very important function in the body. They clean the blood, they control level of water and mineral, they help to control blood pressure, they help make red blood cell. Kidney can be damaged by many things including high blood pressure, diabetes, too much salt in food, not drinking enough water, smoking and alcohol, certain infection and medicines taken without guidance. Some warning sign that kidney may be damaged includes swelling of feet and face, back pain near the kidney, change the urine color, feeling tired all the time, nausea and loss appetite. How to protect your kidney? To protect your kidneys, drink enough clean water every day, eat less salt, avoid smoking and limit alcohol, exercise regularly, get regular health checkup. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like and share. Your kidney are a very important part of the body. Take care of them. Thank you for this time. Thank you for watching this video. We are just see you again.